Hey guys, so if like me you've broken the bowel in your front door of your T4, you're going to need to replace it. I haven't seen a video on YouTube, so decided to make one. I've already done the work, however I forgot to replace this O-seal, so I'm going to take it apart and add it in anyway. As you can see, it's really corroded. Really old car now, 25 years old, so you're going to start getting these issues. Doesn't have to just be broken. You can also do this just to change the keys. You can also change the teeth in it to match your old keys. Let's get that out, like so. You can replace them in order so you can keep your old keys. Anyway, here we go. So what you need to do is you need to take this screw and this screw out. It's really difficult one-handed. When you've done that, this just pops out like so. Take the bottom out first. So this is your complete unit. I've already given it a spray with some WD-40 and a clean from the previous time. It's still quite dirty. But anyway, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to hammer out this pin here. Take this off. Remove this spring. Pop your key in and it comes out. As you can see, I'm going to hammer this through. I've hammered it to make it easier because I'm one-handed here. So that will hammer through. Now you want to retain that pin, which looks like this. Or get another pin. I think it's 2mm. So you may want to replace that. Just a normal 2mm pin. When you've done that, take this out. Get your key. Take this off. And just simply pop it out. Make sure the key's in, otherwise these teeth will go flying all over the place. So what I've done is I've already greased it up with multi-purpose grease, lithium based. I think that's an important part of it. There's your spring. Whilst I'm here, what I did forget to do last time was just grease this up a little bit. Okay, so now I've got the O-ring on, the springs all greased up, ready to rock and roll more like. So what you need to do is pop it in so that this semicircle shape is pointing upwards. Pop it in like so. Once that's in, you get your spring. I'm going to have to pause it here because it is quite fiddly. You put that in. You need to get it so it's the same as when you took it off. So that bit there goes down into there, and that bit goes under there. So you need to push that in to the groove here. I had to use a Phillips screwdriver to push it in. So I'm just going to pause it now and do that. So once that's in, what you need to do is get this, matches up with the semicircle at the top. Pop that on there. And then simply get your pin and replace. My pin's quite loose, so it should just go in. The finger pressure. No, it's going to need a tap. I'm going to tap it now. Right, like so. That's in. You can now take it. What you can do now is test it. You see, you can take your key out, and put it back in the door. Okay, so for when you do this, you need your door at the unlocked position, and then it goes in just like so. Then you reattach these two screws. So then you get your keys. Put that. Now, hopefully, shut your door. That needs fixing as well. So you lock it when open. Unlock it. Job done. I'm going to be doing the sliding door and the boot door soon because I'm going to have to replace them all, and I'm also going to be doing the ignition key so that I can all work off one key, because at the moment I'm having to use two. So I'll be doing videos for all of them. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.